Hello, hello, hello. Wow, you sing great. How did you learn how to sing like that? You want to hear that? We all do. We love to hear that people love what we sound like. And I want to help you with that. Why me? Well, because I've been singing for a very long time. I've been through so many things like broken blood vessels, nodes. Doctors pierced my vocal folds, caused growth over 40% of my air passage. But you know what? The nice thing is, I've been on national TV like The Tonight Show. I've been signed to record companies. I've written a book on singing. It's right back here. How to Sing Through It All, huh? I will not grow weary. So I'm here and I can help you with your voice. Last week, I went over certain things that are important for you to begin to be that great singer. And this week, I go over the 5 A's. So let's recap last week. Number 1, you've got to do a vocal workout, and that's with exercises and with songs. So you want to do that, and I do it. I have Singing for a Lifetime group, and we meet every week. But I don't only meet with them and do the exercises. I also do it separately myself, and I keep my voice in shape. I have to go over the songs that I'm doing, just like you. And in the songs, you do a workout, which would be like going over the transitions, which you're going to do in your vocal workout with exercises that take you through chest, head, falsetto, and mix. And if you can, in the whistle stop, that's like the really high part. But the thing is that you must do a workout. And then you've got to do a performance practice, which is stop and start, and then being the performer. Now, with that, you've got to first do the knowing, which is knowing the words, knowing the tech part, which is going to be when you're doing your vocal workout, and then knowing the problem areas in your song. Then you do stop and start performance. You come to an area, you stop, you go over it, and you fix those, and then you be the performer, which is looking and knowing where you're going to go on stage, feeling comfortable in it. So that was last week, and if you missed it, please go and watch that video. I'll have it in the description below, okay? Now, this week, the 5 A's. We're going to start, and I'm going to look at my notes because I boo-booed when I did this recording like several times before and made the boo-boo, so I'm going to look. First is the appointment. Now, what's that have to do with being a great singer? Well, if you don't make an appointment, if you don't really actually do the work that is behind being a great singer, you won't make it there. You won't get better than you are. Incrementally. Okay, so number 1, an appointment. Now, bear with me. You have a doctor's appointment, okay? You're making it. And you make a call and you go, I need to make an appointment with a doctor. And it's like March, which it is right now. And they say, okay, well, let me see. Oh, I can take you in May. You go, May? Oh, okay. And you're going to make that appointment because you don't know when down the line you're ever going to be able to get another appointment. Now, let's take you doing your workout. Going over your songs, practicing. If you don't make that appointment, you don't know when the next time is going to be that you're going to be able, or you're going to be able to, well, you're going to want to, or you're going to make the commitment to do that workout. Visit your muscles. Work on your songs. It needs to be an appointment because, like the doctor's appointment, if it's an appointment, you're probably going to do it if you get that mindset, okay? So make the mindset that it's an appointment for you. And then the second thing is an alarm. Now, I have appointments, but I set an alarm too, because when that alarm rings, it says, go do that. I have an alarm at 7:30 after I do my most important task in the morning. And the alarm says, stop and go walk your dog. And I do it because the alarm has said, beep, 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 you got to do it, honey. Okay? So I do have an appointment. I make it. I've got it there. I have an alarm that reminds me of my appointment that I've got to do. And that's what you need to do for your practice. I have everything written down, and I have the times that I'm going to do that. That's what you need in order to make you do what you say you want to do. But it's the activity of doing it. All right, now number 3, accountability. Accountability is so important, and you can do it. The accountability of like the writing it down, you can do it with one person. You can do it with a group of people. You can just tell the public. This is what I did. I made an appointment. I set an alarm, and then I made accountability. I told a whole bunch of people that I was going to finish 10 songs, one a month. I did it because I would have been embarrassed, right? It's like, shoot, somebody says, oh, how you doing with your songs? And you haven't started. How would that make you feel? You'd start making excuses. Well, I'm busy. Everybody's busy. Everybody's busy. And the embarrassment is not enough, when it's just to you, or maybe even one person, but when you've told a bunch of people, depends on you and who you are and how you are. I finished, let's see, what was it? It was a walk tape, tapes. Do you even know, or have seen little cassettes? Mm-hmm. I was accountable to somebody, and I finished it because I knew, she was going to ask me, how are you doing? Writing my book. I was accountable to one person. And I had other people that were working with me. So it really helped. That accountability, people knowing about it, will help you understand that you got to do it. Because sometimes just you and yourself, you can fool yourself, huh? I'm right. Okay. All right. We have accelerate. Now, what do I mean by acceleration? You've got to go slowly. You might want things to happen right away. Why didn't I get the gig? Why can't I just get my voice to do what I wanted to do? I've been trying to record that song. Man, everything goes wrong. Slow down, okay? It's a slow process a lot of the time, and there's going to be a lot of opposition. Just know that right now. Even with your muscles, with your career, go slowly. Understand that you want to accelerate, but you've got to know that things are going to come and go in your life as you go to try to accelerate in your career and in your voice and its abilities. And sometimes it just takes a while. Now, I go to the gym, and I've been going for a long time, but I didn't shrug 200 pounds in the beginning. I didn't squat 245, which partial squat, okay? I didn't do that right in the beginning. I would have killed myself. But I lifted weights and I slowly progressed. I slowly learned this and that. So accelerate slowly. And if you're just new at doing your vocal workout, which I hope you're going to do your vocal workout. Oh, and I got to tell you, I have a vocal workout course where you can do the exercises. So check it out at marquitawaters.com. You can do the vocal workout course. Okay? So back to accelerating. When you go to the gym and you hit it hard, the tendency is, to work yourself into, I can't do that. I don't want to do that. I'm so tired. I strained my voice because I was working it so hard, but you don't realize that. You just think, I can't do that. So go slowly. Just like when you go into the gym and you start your workout, and there's people that start and they stop real quick because they went at it with all get out, but they went too fast. They didn't take it slow, step by step. All right? Don't let that be you. Go slow and steady and have a long career. I'm 76. I keep telling people because I want you to understand I'm an elder. And I'm an elder telling you all the secrets of having a voice, singing for a lifetime, having a strong voice. I will not grow weary, Lord. Woo! See, I'm singing strong. How can I sing strong like that? Because I do the workout. And I work on the songs, and I get them so that they're sounding good. Okay? And that's what you're going to do. So you have, your appointment, your alarm, your accountability, your acceleration, and the last is attitude. Attitude, I'm choking. Attitude is so important. It's the big enchilada. It's the one that's going to make everything else happen. If your attitude is, I don't want to do exercises. Why should I have to do that? I just sing. Even if you sing, and I said this in the last video, even if you sing all the time, it doesn't take the place of exercises that go very low and go very high and cover the whole of your musculature, your muscles. You're dealing with ligaments, cartilages, nerve endings. So you need to work everything and be fully aware of your voice so you have control. Attitude is that I know that I can accelerate slowly. I'll have patience because I know that it's a journey. It's a journey with your voice. So you don't want to just get all kind of upset. This poor thing, I keep hitting it. You don't want to get all kinds of upset because things didn't happen for you right away in your acceleration and in your accountability. Your attitude has to be, I need to tell people when I start falling back on my practice. I can't have pride and say, oh man, I don't have to do that. I'm cool. I'm fine. I can just sing my songs. No, you can't. You won't last. Yeah, when you're younger, your muscles are going to do a lot of things that they won't do as you progress. Everything, there's stages and seasons for everything. So your attitude is going to help you to, be vulnerable and have accountability. And setting an alarm or setting an appointment. I don't need that. I'm fine. No, you aren't. You need that. You need to do the things I'm telling you to do because I know. Remember, I'm an elder. And I have that wisdom to tell you these things. And you know why? Because I was stupid when I was younger and I didn't. And if you're older and you think, too old for this, it's, are you serious? Get over yourself. You aren't. You're never too old for your talent. And as we get older, our talent matures and actually it's seasoned and it's great. Look at all the performers that are coming out now that are older. They're coming back in and they're going, wait a second. Whoa, I sing great. And they're doing it and they're loving it. And they know so much more. Their wisdom is coming through with what they're doing. So remember, you're never too young, you're never too old to do the hard work, to become that great singer that you want to be, that we all want to be. But you got to do the work, huh? Okay, so next week, we're going to talk more about you being a great singer, okay? In the meantime, go check out the video from last week. It's in the description. And right away, make appointments. And if you say you don't have time, I got to tell you, everybody has the same 24/7, the same thing that my mentor, Darren Hardy, had said. And because I changed how I allocated my time, what I listened to or got distracted from, because of him teaching me that in a program that I took, okay, I ended up writing a book. I ended up giving in and doing it. And it spilled over because I started learning more. I spilled over in me not being stupid like I was before and practicing myself. So when I mention my vocal workout course and I mention it to you as something to do, I'm not just selling a course. I'm telling you what you need, and I can help you. I've got so much I want to give you. But don't be stubborn, stupid. I know how it is. And you get lazy, you think, what the heck? I can go record. And you're not warmed up. You didn't work your muscles. Now, we'll go into that later. When you do that before you record or perform, do you do it right away? Do you do it earlier? I'll go over a lot of stuff about performing too. And what you think about what you do, what your whys are. Okay? I'm so glad you're here. Thank you for watching all this way to the end. Oh, we're getting there. Don't forget, marquitawaters.com. Leave a comment. Tell me what you feel about your voice, what you're going through, so I can help you. Check out my courses, Singing for a Lifetime. That's every week live for our women. Okay, it's just for us girls, but it's so much fun because you have other people, and then we talk afterwards. I'll answer any questions there. I'm counting on you being there for yourself. That's so important. All right. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell so you know when I'm doing videos. I do them every week, all right? You have a great singing day because it's such a day, yeah, yeah, such a mighty fine day, yeah, yeah. Oh, it is so much fun. Be that great singer, okay? Bye-bye-bye.